Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you on how to hide likes on your Facebook post or reels. If for privacy reason you want to hide your likes on your Facebook post on your reels, this is what you have to do. Log into your Facebook, click on the three lines at the bottom of your screen here. So right here you're going to click on the gay settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. So right here you just scroll, you're going to see reaction preference, click on it. Right here you see hide number of reactions. So on the other people's posts or reels, if you don't want to see the total number of reaction from people's posts or reels, you turn this to go on. If you don't want people to see the total number of likes or reaction from your post or reels, you can also turn this to go on. So when you do this, nobody will see your total reaction, and you will also not see people's total reactions. But if you want to see people's total reaction but you don't want people to see yours, you can turn this off and leave this one to be on. So guys, that is it on how to hide likes on Facebook posts or reels. If this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.